Today we will show you how to download and use new Zhizhen Schematics software. To download this software, first of all we have to go on Chrome. Then we will open the Chrome and click on Google. We will search the official website of Zhizhen Solutions. As we can see, a link has been appeared. We will click on that link and the website has been opened. Now to download the file we have to click on download. Two links has came in front of us. The first is Google Drive, another one is MediaFire. Choose anyone, choose MediaFire for a high-speed download, or you can choose anyone to download the file. Now we have came to another page where the download link has been generated. Now we will click on the download link. The download has been started. It may take some time to download the file. Keep patience. As we can see that the file has been downloaded successfully. Now we will open the file and continue the installation process. To install the application, click on the right side of the mouse. It may take a little time. Now we can see it needs a password. The password is 1234. Now click on OK. The extraction has been started and it has been completed properly. Now click on Zhizhen Setup. Right click on that. Start installation process. Click on Install. The installation setup wizard has came. Now click on Next. Click again and now click on Install. The installation has started.
Open pop-up message. Click on Helpline.
A pop-up message has appeared on our screen. Click on Yes to continue the process, and the process has been started. Now we can see two options has been popped, like one is Zhizhen update and another is Zhizhen. Now just click on Finish and complete the installation process. Click on Yes. Now it's checking for some updates. If it does, then give it the time to update. As we can see here, the update summary has been shown, and now click on Next, and the download and the update has been started. The entire process. Now click on Next, again click on Next, again click on Next. Now click on Install.
Finally, setup complete.
And the final process of the setup has been completed. Click on Finish. Click on Yes. Now create your account to use the Zhizhen solution software. Register new member. Now you enter your username, email, WhatsApp number of yours, and set up a password. Now click on Register. A verification code will be sent on your email. check your email and fill the verification code. Enter the verification code. Now click on OK. As we can see, registration successful. Now enjoy using Zhizhen on your device. This is the interface of the software, where we can see multiple options on the left side like computer, drone, gaming consoles, smartphones, datasheet, tablet and watch phones. We can get any diagrams of this. We have multiple companies facilities like Lenovo, Apple, Asus, LG, Micromax, Motorola, OnePlus and any new and trending companies like Oppo, OnePlus, Nokia, Sony, Samsung, Vivo, Techno, etc. You will get the hardware solutions as well on the software of these companies' mobile sets, such as S17, S16e, Vivo S17 hardware. This is the entire PVC and the schematic diagram of menu. Click on menu. The list of options we can see. Now we can click anywhere to see any kind of lines on this PCB. You can see the lines and where are they going, and this will help us to repair the phone properly, like successfully. As we can see, this is the IC part and these are the capacitors. This is how we can download the software and use the software to diagnose the problem of a smartphone and its PCB. Thank you for watching this video.